Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your search history on Google Maps. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Google Maps, then click on your profile icon on the top right, then select settings near the bottom. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see Maps History, so you want to tap on there. And this will just bring up all your search history on Google Maps. So what you can do is you'll see this little delete option on the right hand side near the top. So you can tap on there. Then it'll give you a few options. So you can either delete today, delete a custom range, or delete all time. And you can also enable auto delete. So if you click on there, it'll give you an option to change the amount of time before it auto deletes your activity. So you can either select 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. Then just select next. And then just select confirm. And that will auto delete your activity on Google Maps. Thanks for watching.